Hello, and welcome to this demonstration of SAP Financial Consolidation. SAP Financial Consolidation provides CFOs with the speed, processing power, agility, and breadth of analysis needed to complete statutory consolidation and reporting cycles faster with confidence. And the Starter Kit for IFRS is designed to accelerate and secure the implementation of your consolidation application. It is pre-configured with all reports, controls, and rules for performing, validating, and publishing a statutory consolidation according to the latest IFRS standards. As a result of its tight integration with the product, the Starter Kit for IFRS is pretty straightforward to install. The only thing you have to do is to start the administration console and click the Install Software Configuration command on the desired data source. Once the installation has successfully completed, just start the data source and then launch Financial Consolidation. You are now ready to explore all the capabilities embedded in the Starter Kit. Let's take a walk through a standard consolidation cycle. The first step is to collect local data from all companies included in the consolidation scope. To achieve this, each company is assigned with a package which contains a folder of schedules used for entering and retrieving data. In the Starter Kit for IFRS packages, three types of schedules exist. First, summary schedules, like this one, which are used to navigate into the package. Then, input schedules, which are logically ordered and grouped into books by type of information, for instance, balances or securities and shareholdings. And last, data retrieval schedules such as financial statements, which give a valuable overview of the figures. Now, let's have a look at the statement of financial position. As you can see, the chart of accounts in the Starter Kit for IFRS is based on the IFRS taxonomy. This allows to present financial statements following the requirements of IAS 1 amended. Therefore, assets and liabilities are classified according to the current non-current distinction. It's time now to illustrate how easy it is to enter data. Let's open the Property, Plant, and Equipment input schedule. First, input the closing balance. It's not calculated to allow figures to be manually entered or preferably imported from a general ledger. Then, populate the breakdown by movement, also named flows. Expected signs are indicated in cells. Finally, check the control column. Movement entries must explain the account variation between the opening and closing positions. Once data is collected, it must be validated to allow the package to be published and consolidated. That's why the Starter Kit for IFRS comprises a full set of controls to verify data consistency. Click Validate All to run them all at once. Controls are grouped together into subsets, where each subset corresponds to a book of schedules. Some controls, called non-blocking, are warnings and do not prevent the package from being validated. But the vast majority of these controls are blocking. If these are not valid, the status of the package cannot be validated. Each control is linked to the schedule where the error is detected. It is thus extremely simple to get back to the source data and correct it. Once the error is fixed, just refresh the controls to finish validating the package. Finally, you can publish the package because its status is set to valid. Now, you're ready to prepare the consolidation processing. The data which is to be consolidated is specified in a consolidation definition. Each definition refers to a unique combination of a category, a data entry period, a scope, a variant, and a currency. This is also where all additional processing properties are put together, and notably simulation parameters such as the scope period and version, the set of calculation rules, and foreign exchange rates. To consolidate the data, just select the appropriate definition and click Run Full Processing Now. From the task monitor, you can follow the execution of the consolidation currently being run. The consolidation processing has successfully completed. Now the time has come to control and publish financial figures. Let's go to the Report Navigator and spend a while for a brief overview of the reports embedded with the Starter Kit. As you can see, reports are logically organized in a hierarchy of books and folders. The starter kit contains a very complete set of reports spanning a wide range of purposes, from accounting balances and general ledgers up to publishable financial statements. For instance, let's run the statement of profit or loss. Select the report and click Open. Specify the consolidation and the reporting units you're interested in. Click Finish, and the report shows up. Let's see now how to get more detailed figures. Each cell of the schedule is linked to other analysis reports providing drill-down capabilities up to the original data. For instance, just double-click the cell for finance income. All meaningful reports which can be accessed from here are shown. Keep the income statement by reporting unit selected and click OK. This new report shows how reporting units contribute to the total finance income. Let's continue to figure out what's in the holding company total finance income. Double-click the cell and another report opens up to detail all accounts included in the total. What's interesting here is the dividend account, which is set to 0, probably the result of the elimination of dividends received by the holding company from its subsidiaries. Let's verify this. Once again, double-click the dividends cell, choose the general ledger, and click OK. You can see that dividends input in the package have been totally eliminated by a business rule, and you can also check the breakdown of the data by subsidiaries. Now, let's run another report to highlight the power of the starter kit audit trail. Select the statement of cash flows and double-click to run it. Issuing out a statement of cash flows is part of IAS 1 requirements. In the starter kit, this financial statement is automatically calculated from balance sheet account movements. Let's get the breakdown of the purchase of property, plant, and equipment by reporting unit. From here, you can access the detail of this cash flow item for any company. Just double-click the cell of the desired company and you get the original data, comprising all account movements from which the item is made up. In this case, the company has acquired various assets and contracted some debt in order not to fully pay these purchases in cash. Securing the product implementation, ensuring legal compliance, and addressing a comprehensive scope of business requirements, that's what the SAP Financial Consolidation Starter Kit for IFRS is all about. SAP, run like never before.